Mendoza.
We are
Ex-Spouses
ex-spouses selling houses. We are sitting here today with Jenna Lavecchia. Jenna, how long have you done lending?
6 years.
Okay.
Wow, that's very impressive because you look like you're maybe only 20.
And thank you for being here with us today.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
absolutely.
welcome.
So Jenna, tell me maybe like what are the 3 biggest misconceptions about qualifying for a loan?
People think that they won't qualify, when often they do. People think that they don't have enough money to qualify, when there are ways to come up with the money. There's down payment assistance programs, and there's just a ton of different ways that you can qualify even if you don't have a ton of assets. And then I would say the third one would be that their FICO score isn't high enough. A lot of times you don't need a very high FICO score to qualify for a loan. FHA is very forgiving, and there's just a lot of different options that I think people don't realize are out there and available to them, and their credit score is usually a lot higher than they realize.
Okay.
Very cool. And so what is the process to get approved? What's the paperwork involved?
The paperwork, it just depends on your situation, but it's usually just really easy items like 2 years of tax returns, 2 most recent bank statements, a driver's license, some pay stubs, and that's typically it pretty much. If you have a little bit more complicated of a situation, maybe a few more items, but that's about it. It's
Okay.
pretty simple. It's a lot easier than people think.
Once someone has qualified for a loan, what are the biggest mistakes they make after they qualify?
Moving funds around is a huge one. Anything asset related. So anything asset related, you want to check with your lender first. You can do it, just make sure that you check with us first so it's done properly. And then credit, don't use credit. You can, again, but check with me first just so that you know how to do it right, because I've seen deals that you're supposed to close tomorrow, not close because someone made a poor credit decision that they could have waited a day on to close.
Like
and-
buy a new car
Yeah.
or buy some furniture for the new
Yeah, right.
house?
Exactly,
All of a sudden we don't have a house.
appliances. Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. And then don't quit your job, stay where you are, don't stop working consistent hours, keep it as consistent as it was when we got you approved to close.
Okay.
So we do the business all the time, so we know how we work together. But tell me from your perspective, how do a lender and a realtor work together to symbiotically get that transaction done for the client?
It's important to me personally that we are a team, that we work together as a team, that we communicate well, so that from start to finish, the whole transaction is seamless for the buyer, and everybody is happy, the agent, the buyers, the sellers, everybody involved. Escrow, it doesn't matter, everybody should work together as a team.
Yeah, and I think it helps us also write a better offer for that
Yes.
client, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Know what they
Yes.
qualify for. So as you can see, the lending process isn't anything to be scared about. So Jenna, how can people get a hold of you if they would like to talk about getting a home mortgage?
Just give me a call, 702-716-9992.
Fantastic.
All right, thank you, Jenna.
Thank you so much for being with us today.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right. Everyone have a great day. Until next time, have a good one.